What is it with these? The dog's spinning around in circles. What the hell? What the hell's wrong with that dog? Why are there so many big white dogs? What are them things? That dog was spinning around in circles. Like, he didn't know what to do. He's just spinning around like 5 or 6, 7, 8 times. Spinning around, then he finally runs. What's all these big, huge white dogs? Where do they come from? This farm's got them. Up the road at that not so love shack, rundown shack, like Joe Dirt Shack. It's probably the right description. Joe Dirt Shack has 2 big white dogs there too.